Hello guys, welcome back to Retenzy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to assign Shopify reviews to multiple products. For doing that, you have to come back to your Retenzy application. Once you open the Retenzy application, you will see an option for a review program from left-hand menu. You have to click on that and you will see multiple options at the top. From there, you have to click Product Group. After clicking on a product group, you'll see an option for Manage Product Group. In front of that, you'll see a button, Add Group. Click on that. Enter the group name, for example, men's t-shirt. After that, you have to click add product in there. Once you do that, select the product you want to add in there, and once you're done with your selection, simply click on add and then create group. Once you do that, your product group will be successfully created. The reason for doing that, reviews from the product will appear under same product, which will help us to save the time for building the trust and reviews. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Retenzy's YouTube channel. Thank you.